Exactly 1 year ago, I posted a video called I worked on Fiverr for 1 week on my another YouTube channel, and since then I haven't stopped working on Fiverr. Some people write about the orders they have received, some people write about their problems, and some people write pessimistic comments about how not to make money on Fiverr. And in this video, I will explain everything. How much money did I make? How many orders I have received? And is it worth it? Hi everyone. Now I want to start from the day that I posted the I worked on Fiverr for 1 week video. At first, orders didn't come so easily. Every now and then I was promoting myself, I was posting my gigs on Discord servers, on other social media platforms. Meanwhile, when I looked at the comments of my video, I was seeing good comments, and honestly that was making me happy, because it's a nice feeling when you teach people and they start making money with their talents. Besides, freelancing is a very broad thing which everyone can make money with his talents, with her talents. With their talents, actually. Yeah. In other words, you can make money with video editing, with graphic design, or with voiceover, which there are many more other options. But of course, there were also pessimistic comments under the video, like, the competition is so big, why would someone buy from me? Or, in the video everything is explained like it's easy. No, everything is not easy. Yes, the competition is pretty big, but if you know how to analyze, you can find where it's open. And by open, I mean the need of sellers. Like, if there aren't too many sellers, there's a big opportunity. And then create a gig about that topic. For example, I wanted to go through graphic design and did some research to see where I can find lower competition. After that, I found a topic without many sellers, and then I created a gig on that topic, which now that gig is my best-selling gig. Anyway, after that I created some new listings, including my best-selling gig, and I deleted some of my gigs. I checked which gigs of mine were performing the best and deleted the worst. The worst. Is the right word? I don't know. The worst performing, I guess I can say. But I wanna show you this screenshot here. If you look at the dates, you can see that they are very close. In short, it may be difficult to get orders in the beginning, but after a while you will start getting orders frequently, and you will also have returning customers. As long as you do good job, of course. As long as you satisfy the customers. For example, I have received 5 stars from all of my work so far. I don't even have 1 4-star review. So now, let's see how many orders I got. Then we'll see how much money I made. When I come to the orders section on my profile, we can see that I've got 13 orders completed. Yes, probably this didn't turn out the way you expected. I mean, you prayed so much and now you're saying that you got only 13 jobs done, but 13 works are not less. Also, I don't see freelancing as my main job, as my main source of income. I look at it from a different angle. Like, I can get orders once in a while, little by little, save some money. So I can say that Fiverr is an additional source of income for me. Like, if I want to, I can be more involved with Fiverr and I can promote myself better and get many more orders. But I'm not doing it because I already have 2 YouTube channels that I need to take care of, so it's better for Fiverr to stay as a side hustle. So, how much money did I earn from these 13 orders? So when I go to the earnings section, we can see it's not loading. We can see that I got $84, which I recently earned the most of that $84. As I said, at first I wasn't getting orders that much. Recently I started. But after a point, the orders started to accelerate. I created a nice gig and a lot of orders started coming. Of course, as long as I did my job well, some customers returned and buy from me again. One of the customers even came back for 4 times and bought from me again. Or one of the customers liked my work and paid me extra. Okay, I mean he paid $5, but I mean he didn't have to. He just liked my work and donated. That is why it's important to take care of your business. The how you talk to your customer, how fast you deliver the order, and generally the order itself, how good it is. Because customers after the order, they usually give you stars, reviews, and feedback. I can show you my own feedbacks. So here you can see that all of the reviews are 5 stars and they are saying good stuff about me, about my work. And even this customer said that its second time customers love it. So this customer bought from me again because he loved my job, my work, my service actually. And this will increase your chances of selling, because when a new customer comes to your profile, he will see all the good stuff about you, about all the 5-star reviews, and it's most likely for him to buy from you. Let's get to the last point. Is it worth it? Now I will answer for myself here, because the answer that I will give may change from person to person. I think it's worth it. Like I said, I don't see it as my main source of income. I see it as an additional source of income which I can make some extra money. Honestly, it would be nice getting some orders from time to time, like getting $100 to $200 little by little. I mean, it's enough for me. In short, I will continue working as a freelancer on Fiverr. I mean, of course, one day I'll probably quit, but I don't know when that day will be. Probably when I don't have any more time for Fiverr. Imagine serializing these videos. Like, how much money did I make from Fiverr in 2 years? Or how much money did I make from Fiverr in 3 years? And continue like this. So, would I recommend it to you? Yes, I would. And I will. I think you should start working as a freelancer and make some money from your talents. By the way, the previous Fiverr video, the video that I worked on Fiverr for 1 week, had a lot of questions about taxes, so I want to answer that. Now, taxes can change from place to place and from country to country. But as far as you know, even you work as a freelancer, you still need to pay your taxes. I mean, if you did something for one time, like they had to do something and you did them for them, and it was just one time thing, then probably you don't need to pay taxes from that money. But if it's something that will make you money every month, every week, so you have to pay taxes. Of course, I cannot explain every details in this video, but my advice for you is to go and talk with an accountant and get some help from him. We have come to the end of this video. In this video, we looked at how much money I've made and how much orders I have got after working on Fiverr for 1 year, and I shared with you my own thoughts. So here's a video where I try to make money on Fiverr for 7 days using Canva. If you want, you can watch that video right after this one. So I guess you're there. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.